guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Drea from Lake Crochet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. All right, let's get into it. So, disclaimer, I am a bit under the weather. Thank God it is not COVID. I have a little sniffle, a little cold. Some of you may know I told you I got a job a few weeks ago and is working in a school with little kids, and you know how little kids are. So I definitely got some of their germs, and I'm feeling it. But yeah, we're gonna push through, and I'm going to get the tutorial done. It's going to be really quick, and really cute. I'm also preparing for a pop-up shop in a few weeks, so this tutorial is going to be on making some of these really cute quick hair scrunchies or hair ties. My daughter loves them to wear her little buns or to put her braids up, and just to wear like this. Like, I don't know what it is with the girls, but girls love to fill their arms up with like little scrunchies or hair tie these days. So like now I'm making her some for her hair and some to have on her arms. So this is what we're going to be making today. These are what I have so far for my little table. So I'm like, let me show my people how to make these. You know what I'm saying? They're cute. They keep the little girls girly, and I just fell in love with them. So today we're going to be using this red heart ombre yarn. I've used it before, I believe, for a hat. So you may have seen this before. Using this, scissors, and of course my 5mm hook. So let's just get right into it. Oh, I'm sorry. Duh. Elastic. We definitely need a pack of elastic hair ties. These are from Dollar Tree. I just had them in the house. However, for my pop-up shop, I have a little more sturdier ones. Like I said, they're not bad, but if people are going to be spending money, they want them to last for a long time. So just try to get like a sturdier type of hair tie that you can pull without, you know, breaking it. So for practice and to show you guys, I'm just going to use these from the Dollar Tree. And let's get into it. Okay guys, so here's my hair tie, right? I'm simply going to slip my needle into the hair tie, wrap my yarn, and pull it through the hair tie so that it's attached, right? I'm just going to do one little slip stitch to attach the yarn to the hair tie. All right, I actually moved you guys just a little bit closer, so now you're all up in my face, but I wanted to have you guys really see what I'm doing because I'm not at a table today. Like, I'm really lounging, I'm really lazy today, okay? So after we slip stitch our yarn onto our headband, we're just going to chain up one, okay? I always turn my work. You don't necessarily have to do it for this tutorial, but we're going to go in with double crochet all the way around the hair tie. Simply double crocheting all the way around, okay? Really simple. Into the hair tie with double crochets, all right? And I will meet you right back when we get to the end or back around the hair tie, okay? Okay guys, so I've approached the end of this row. I am simply going to slip stitch into our first double crochet to close off the circle, all right? Here's what we have, double crochet all the way around. So I am now going to chain up 1, 2, turn my work, and I am now going to go into every one of these stitches around with 4 double crochet into the same stitch, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4 into the same stitch, okay? When we do that, we make our ruffle clusters, and it makes it nice and full and, you know, puffy. So yes, 4 double crochet into each stitch around. You can even go try as many as you want. Honestly, 4 does it enough for me. Like, these are nice and full for me. If you want to try 5, you know, you could try that. It's all about what you want, but yes, at least 4 double crochet into every stitch around, and then I'll meet you back around. All right. Okay guys, so we've approached the end of our row 2 of 4 double crochet into each stitch. I'm now going to slip stitch into my first double crochet, chain up 2, and then we are just going to go back around First off, let me show you what I have, because to some, you could be done, right? If you don't want it to be, you know, that puffy, there's nothing wrong with this. This is super cute as well. But I'm going to go back around with just a single double crochet into each stitch. We are no longer doubling, tripling up. We are just putting one double crochet into each stitch around to continue with the fullness, okay? So this will be our last and final round, is doing the one double crochet into each stitch. All right, guys. So I have approached the end of this row. What are we going to do? Slip stitch into our first double crochet. Okay, chain off, snip, and voila, we have a hair tie. Super cute. I love them. So I hope yours turned out just as cute as this. I have to, of course, clip my ends and make sure it's going to weave them in a little bit before doing that. And we are done, guys. You know, y'all know I love a quick easy tutorial. No need to be before you long. All right, so yeah, I weaved in a little bit. I'm gonna clip this off, and boom. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I am figuring out my schedule in between work to bring more content your way. Another thing that I wanted to address while I'm on here, a few weeks back I mentioned that I was going to start posting more vlogging. A lot of people wanted, like, you know, I basically started this channel to do tutorials. However, I get a lot of questions on hauls and types of yarns and just, you know, crochet with me vlogs. And I'm like, that's pretty cool. And I initially was going to do it on my personal page, but I was like, no, it just doesn't have to be a tutorial page. It could be an all around crochet page. So I'm going to start posting vlogs on Le Crochet. Okay, my first vlog will probably be preparing for my pop-up shop, take you guys on a journey with me, my setup, making things for it. So hopefully I can drop that vlog by next week along with the tutorial, because I really plan and I hope to be able to still give you guys Sunday tutorials every Sunday in between working, and then I have to come up with a schedule for my vlogs. Maybe when it's given Wednesdays, like Sundays for tutorials and Wednesdays for weekly crochet vlogs. So give me some ideas on what you guys want to see in the vlogs. Like, you know, I want to crochet with y'all, show the things I'm working on, do shopping hauls with y'all, compare brands, because I'm big on comparing brands. Like, I already have a few of my faves, just to bounce some stuff off each other. So yes, that's what's coming new to Le Crochet, vlogs of me probably sitting right here making stuff and working on some whips. Okay, so anyway, all right, that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you loved it, and see you next time, gang.